Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change Discord nickname in a server. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Remember, a Discord nickname only changes your name inside one server and does not affect your global username. First, open Discord and enter the server where you want to change your nickname. Once you're inside the server, click the small down arrow next to the server name at the top left. From the menu, select Edit per Server Profile. This will open your profile settings for that specific server. Now, find the nickname field and enter the new name you want to use. After typing your new nickname, click on Save Changes at the bottom right. Your nickname will now update only in that server and will appear beside your messages and in the member list. If you don't see the Edit Server Profile option or cannot change the nickname, the server may have restricted permissions. In that case, you may need help from a moderator or admin. And that's it! So that's basically how you can change Discord nickname in a server. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!